Hi, my name is Annabella. I live in Italy. I'm a graphic and web designer and I'm specialized in brand construction and development since I've also studied marketing and advertising. I've been working as a freelancer for over 10 years along with my husband, who is also a designer and a marketer, and together we run our own design studio. I love what I do. I love design. And I love the way each project is completely different from the others. We've worked with hundreds of companies, organizations and entrepreneurs from all over the world. So on this gig, I offer to put all my experience, my talent and my passion into creating the best logo for your brand. One that not only looks nice, but also that's effective for your business. You can find more info below on the specs and at the FAQs, but in case you want to ask me anything, just do it and I'll be glad to reply. También puedo responderte en español e anche in italiano. Thank you for watching. I really hope we get to work together. Bye.